Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV and Dr. Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टीयर फिल्म. तो टीयर फिल्म को समझने के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है उसका स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टीयर फिल्म. The Wolf was the first to describe in detail the structure of tear film. He coined the term precorneal film. Actually, the tear film consists of three layers. First layer is the outermost layer, which is called the lipid layer. Second layer is the intermediate layer, which is called the aqueous layer. And third is the innermost layer, which is called the mucin layer. Here in this image, you can see the three layers of the tear film. The innermost is the mucus layer, the middle one is the watery layer, and the outermost is the oily layer. So it is present on the cornea. It is called the precorneal film. Lipid layer, it is derived from secretions from meibomian, zeast, and mole glands, cholesterol esters, phospholipids, and wax. Thickness is 0.1 micrometer. Function is that it prevents the overflow of tears and it retards their evaporation. Then aqueous layer, it is secreted by the lacrimal gland and the accessory glands of Cross and Wolfram. It is responsible for reflex and basal secretion. Thickness is 10 micrometer. It is the main bulk of the tear film. Aqueous solution of inorganic salts, glucose, urea, proteins, and glycoproteins are present in this layer. And lysozymes, lactoferrin, albumin, immunoglobulin A are the main constituents of protein fraction. The functions of aqueous layer are it provides atmospheric oxygen to the corneal epithelium, it washes away debris, and it contains antibacterial substances like lysozyme. Then the mucous layer, it is the innermost layer. It is secreted by the conjunctival goblet cells. The superficial epithelial cells of the cornea and conjunctiva produce transmembrane mucins that form their glycocalyx. It plays a very vital role in the stability of the tear film. The clear corneal epithelium is hydrophobic surface. The mucin gets absorbed on the cell membrane of epithelial cells and anchored by their microvilli, forming a new hydrophilic surface. It provides a slippery coating over the foreign bodies, thereby protecting the cornea and conjunctiva against abrasive effects of particles. The functions of tear film are optical surface of cornea. It keeps surface of conjunctiva and cornea moist. It serves as lubricant. It transfers oxygen from air to cornea and prevents infection due to presence of antibacterial substances, due to the presence of lysozymes, and it washes away debris and irritants. Then the first is secretion of tears. Continuously secreted throughout the day, basal secretion is from the accessory glands and reflex secretion from the main lacrimal gland. The hyperlacrimation due to irritative sensation from cornea and conjunctiva. The afferent pathway is for the fifth nerve and efferent pathway, the parasympathetic secretomotor fibers. The rate of secretion of tears is 1 to 1.2 microlt per minute and volume is 7 microliter and the turnover rate is 5 to 7 minutes. Newborn don't produce excess fluid even when crying. You can see the image of the elimination of tears by the lacrimal pump mechanism. On eye closure, the contraction of pretarsal orbicularis oculi shortens the ampulla and canaliculi and propels the tear fluid present into lacrimal sac. The contraction of preseptal fibers of orbicularis pulls the lacrimal fascia and lacrimal sac, thereby opening the normally closed lacrimal sac. This produces negative pressure and draws tears from canaliculi into the lacrimal sac. On eye opening, relaxation of the pretarsal fibers of orbicularis allows canaliculi to expand and reopen. It draws in the lacrimal fluid through the puncta from lacrimal lake. Relaxation of the preseptal fibers allows the lacrimal sac to collapse. It expels the fluid therein into the anal day. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my disclosure session.